Hello, hey guys, welcome to the channel XhoTech. So today I will be showing you how you can fix that microphone issue on phones, especially on means Oneplus, because sometimes it happens like you cannot use microphone properly on Oneplus mobiles. So there is no issue as such with the phone. So what you can do is a very small and quick fix. So first of all, go to this setting, and here you can find sound and vibration, and here go, and this phone basically is OnePlus 10R. So for every phone there is option like this, sound and vibration, and there you will find more, and here you can see default device, correct. So here by default it is auto select. So in case of auto select, it should take the device whatever you are adding, but if it is not taking your filling, just change this to use peripheral device. Now the problem is sorted. Now you can add any microphone, be it wired or be it wireless, like this, doesn't matter. Now it will work. So thank you for watching guys, thank you so much, bye bye.